Hello and welcome to this week's KitPlus TV news, supported by OpenGear, the industry standard platform of choice for modular signal processing.
So if you're not heading over to Las Vegas next week for the annual NAB show, then all the pre-show news may have become background noise. So this show is filled with non-NAB news.
Yep, and if you do, however, want to catch up on the latest from NAB, then you can check out our other news show this week, which of course is packed full of NAB news.
Absolutely, yeah. So on with the non-NAB news. And we start with Prism Sound, where the wait for their customers is finally over because the company is now shipping its new Dream ADA-128 modular audio conversion system. First units have already been sent to facilities in the UK, Japan, the USA, Germany and France, with other customers expected to take delivery of their systems in the coming weeks.
Foray has expanded its offering still further through its strategic partnership with Affiliate. Initially, the agreement allows Foray to market the screens in selected areas, but the intention is that this will become a global arrangement.
Jigsaw24 Media has signed a full-service partnership with pixitmedia, a Kalray subsidiary. The new deal extends beyond technology provision to include pre-sales, systems integration and product support for pixitmedia's storage and data solutions. The agreement also coincides with Jigsaw24 Media's first pixitmedia integration project for London-based facility 50/50.
Custom Consoles has announced the completion of control room desks from its modular R series, plus media wall monitor supports for the London studios of a globally active news broadcaster. I wonder who that could be. The newly completed facility includes a production control room desk, master control room desk, and 2 control room desks. Designed for use by a team of up to 8 operators, the production control room desk is a 14-bay inline structure facing a 7-meter wide media wall multi-screen display. The Grass Valley video production control panel is integrated into the 3 central bays of the worktop.
OOONA has announced that it has launched a new tool to automate the quality assurance process of subtitle assets against videos at scale. One of the most common operations performed by media localization staff and content owners ahead of the broadcast of subtitle or caption files is a technical check against the video source they are paired with to ensure the right file in the right language is being delivered or aired with the corresponding video. This is known as the 3-point or 5-point check, depending on how many instances of the file are checked against the video. As files get redelivered in different formats or different platforms or to different video versions, such workflows account for a large volume of files undergoing a QC step.
Now, if live subtitles and translation is your thing, then have a listen to this news about Zixi from Mr. Mxf.
One of the great things that AI allows is the creation of live subtitles, and the headline, "Exalate integrates Zixi, enhancing global reach of content," well, it kind of hides the neat technology behind the story. So first, let's get the jargon out of the way. Exalate, that's the name of a company that does machine translation and localized live subtitling using its own AI technology. AI, well, that means artificial intelligence, or more accurately, machine learning, probably using large language models. Zixi, now that's the name of a company that does SDVP production and networking. SDVP, well, that means software-defined video production. In other words, it hooks up all the tools you need when you need them for production you're doing, and it's all just software. So add all that together, and it means that if you're doing a live broadcast using a Zixi network, then now you can add live subtitling in multiple languages with low latency and real-time QC, including technologies like EVMAF. Oh, that's Video Multi-Method Assessment Fusion. It's an auto QC metric that you'll find for free on the Netflix GitHub repo. So, fault tolerance, auto QC, auto translation, and automatic live subtitles. What's not to like? Sounds like magic to me. What if I can get a demo at NAB?
Making perfect sense of the headlines once again. Thank you, Mr. Mxf, and we'll catch up with him after NAB to see if he got that demo.
Origin has continued its successful program of growth by bringing CineWest on board. CineWest, based in Bristol, leads in cine camera, lens and grip rental, and its specialist team and Bottle Yard studio location will join Origin Film and TV. The CineWest integration follows the acquisition of MCR Broadcast back in 2022.
Rugby European Championship 2023 has been using Dejero's smart blending technology for the international broadcasting by its channel partner and international production company to produce, deliver and distribute high-value content to the event's 11 rights holders. They've carried 6 Dejero Engo video mobile transmitters across 8 European cities to each stadium throughout the tournament. The Engos, which have glass-to-glass latency of 0.5 seconds, transmit live feeds from 6 cameras at each match.
Arkona Technologies has closed a large expansion deal with the Australian branch of a multinational company known for its live production capabilities. Planned as a multi-stage rollout of the initial complement of equipment comprises 46 units of Blade Runner 8300 dual 100 gig Ethernet FPGA programmable accelerator cards, combined with the JPEG XS encode decode application capable of UHD 3G HD video.
Easy for you to say.
No, not really.
PMC is showcasing its full range of professional monitors on booth 15908 at this year's NAM exhibition in California, which takes place at the same time as NAB, actually, between April 13th and 15th. Now, as in previous years, PMC will shine a spotlight on monitoring products for immersive audio mixing, an area in which it's renowned as an industry leader. Leading lights in this field will host regular presentations in PMC's on-booth demo suite to highlight best practice when it comes to mixing music in the Dolby Atmos format.
Osprey Video has announced a new technology partnership with Red5 Pro, provider of Red5 Pro software for real-time interactive video streaming. The partnership brings together Osprey Video's Talon 4K and UHD encoders and decoders with the Red5 Pro platform.
Sohonet announced it has acquired Fifth Kind, who over the last decade has helped thousands of creatives streamline their increasingly complex workflows with a cloud-based asset management and discovery platform that enables key stakeholders to securely collaborate at global scale across the entire content lifecycle.
Disguise has announced a new collaboration with NVIDIA to integrate the NVIDIA Omniverse platform with Disguise's platform for immersive experiences. Creators will soon be able to connect their preferred digital content creation tools like Maya Cinema, 4D, 3ds Max and more in a unified production pipeline.
LiveU has joined the Amazon Web Services, that's AWS, partner network. The membership follows LiveU's successful completion of AWS Foundation Technical Review process, where its cloud management platform software LiveU Central met the standards for reliability, stability, security and operational excellence.
Shanghai Media Tech Co, SMT, and Media Links recently teamed up to evaluate a 4K UHD remote production application. To conduct the test, Media Links MDP3020 IP media gateways configured for 4K UHD video with JPEG XS compression and one of SMT's largest OB production vehicles, which was previously deployed at the Summer Tokyo Olympics, were used.
NxtEdition has successfully integrated OpenAI Whisper, a cutting-edge speech-to-text artificial intelligence, into its standard platform. OpenAI can transcribe and translate content in real time as needed, utilizing either NxtEdition's private cloud hardware or public cloud-based infrastructure. As a result, the time and cost of accessing third-party AI services for transcription and translation as an external function is removed from the workflow.
Viz has announced an advanced version of Viz Social, featuring a Flowix-based interface to provide a more intuitive and improved experience for users. This version of Viz Social increases speed, simplicity, and offers users an advanced suite of integrations with social media and messaging platforms, alongside add-ons such as Twitch and Facebook Live extensions. Users of Viz Social can also incorporate custom data from RSS and JSON feeds.
Lightware Visual Engineering has recently launched 2 new training, sales and technical hubs in the UK and the USA as part of its continuous expansion and in-person customer offerings. The 2 facilities are located in the City of London and Las Vegas, providing users with increased customer and technical support, comprehensive training and first-hand experience of Lightware's products and services in a live environment.
Marshall Electronics has announced a collaboration with Ordinate, developer of Dante AV-over-IP solution. As part of the collaboration, Marshall will integrate Ordinate's Dante AV-H to its line of AV-over-IP that's capable of H.264 and 265 camera offerings, with resolutions of up to UHD 60 frames per second.
Leader Instruments has announced a major addition to its range of broadcast quality test and measurement solutions. Option LV5600 Series 33 for the LV5600 waveform monitor and the LV7600 Series 33 for the LV7600 rasterizer. Provides support for JPEG XS compressed signals up to 4K.
Digital Audio Denmark's new AX Center is a dedicated Thunderbolt modular audio interface with dual mic and instrument inputs, dual headphone and monitor outputs, built-in ProMon monitor control with speaker EQ, and 2 slots for DAD expansion cards. It comes with 256 Thunderbolt 3 channels, 256 Dante I/O channels, up to 192 MADI I/O channels, and 16 ADAT channels, as well as onboard summing and processing. Complete.
Excellent. So that's it for the non-NAB news show this week. Please do take a look at the channel for all the other news we've been covering. And of course, check out the brand new KitPlus website for the full stories of all the news that we've touched upon this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.